Yeah, good afternoon, people. Welcome to Apparel Engineering TV. So, this is a hand sewing machine, a one butterfly machine, which one of my customers brought it to me that it is fault or it is faulty. So you could see the feed, you can see the pressure foot, the feed dog or the teeth inside, and it's without needle. So I'm to check the fault on it and service it for her, then she can use it. I'm turning the hand, so you can see it's moving up and down. That's the needle bar moving up and down. But if you see that when moving the hand wheel, you can see the teeth coming up, but it's not coming up. That is supposed to be the higher height the feed supposed to be. It is inside. So I've already opened it. Let's see something. So you could see, have you seen the teeth, not the feed dog of the hand sewing machine? Have you seen that? So if you see it's moving, the screws are not tight, and even with that, the teeth, the height of the teeth has been worn out. So to see it clearly, let me unscrew the compressor foot from it so you can see it clearly. Yeah, so I've removed it, so you can now see. So you see it has worn out, the teeth has worn out. So in sewing it won't be able to feed the material properly, going straight forward. It will stand still and it will cause loops under the fabric, which will lock the machine's engine. Yes, so even when you put your plate, you can see the still when it's going, it's still not up. It's still not up, so it won't be able to feed the material properly. So we are going to repair this fault. So now let's go. Hi people, we are back. Let's start. So these are my tools I'm going to use. This is the short screwdriver. We have this is the tiny flat screw, smaller one. You can use this to remove the screws on the teeth. You can use this one, but this one is properly good enough. It's too small to open it, so this one can open this properly than the big ones, than this ones. So I've already removed the screws of the throat plate or the needle plate. So I put it inside the box. I put the presser foot into the box. So let me keep my screws so into the box.